So the topic of this video is this pre-production tester marked Sonar. It came in the Jim Snyder collection that I acquired. He also had a bunch of these things, like, I don't know if he was testing them or assembling them, but this one's just combat. But I have a bunch of other ones, and they're like Hangman and that slot car race where it goes in circles. I think Outlaw's in there. But this is an iconic joystick. I actually still enjoy playing with that. But when I play Missile Command, this Amiga power stick is one of my favorites. Actually, I use it on a lot of games. It's just really free flowing. And I mean, it fits your hand nicely. But I have a lot of fun with it when I play Missile Command. I don't know how you're supposed to use it or play it, but I move around with the joystick, and when I hit the fire button, it appears to clear some kind of path. I'm not sure if it was ever completed or what you're supposed to do. Well, anyhow, there it is.